Let us solve for x given 4 raised to power x minus 2 is equal to 52. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. If you have a raised to power minus 1, this is equal to 1 over a. And if you have a raised to power m minus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by 1 over a raised to power n. Then this can be written as 4 raised to power x multiplied by 1 over 4 square is equal to 52. Here, let us cross multiply. We have 4 raised to power x multiplied by 1 is equal to 4 square multiplied by 52. 4 square is equal to 16. Then we have 4 raised to power x multiplied by 1. This is 4 raised to power x is equal to 16 multiplied by 52. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation. Log 4 raised to power x is equal to log 16 multiplied by 52. If you have log a raised to power m, this is equal to m log a. This can be written as s log 4 is equal to log 16 multiplied by 52. Let us divide both sides of this equation by log 4. This divided by log 4 and this is divided by log 4. Log 4 cancel log 4 here. S is equal to log 16 multiplied by 52 divided by log 4. If you have log a multiplied by b, this is equal to log a plus log b. S is equal to denominator here can be written as log 16 plus log 52 divided by log 4. Then S is equal to, if we split this, we have log 16 divided by log 4 plus log 52 divided by log 4. S is equal to log 16 can be written as log 4 square divided by log 4 plus log 52 divided by log 4. S is equal to log 4 square can be written as 2 log 4 divided by log 4 plus log 52 divided by log 4. This log 4 cancel this log 4. S is equal to 2 plus log 52 can be written as log 4 multiplied by 13 divided by log 4. S is equal to 2 plus log 4 plus log 13 divided by log 4. S is equal to 2 plus log 4 divided by log 4 plus log 13 divided by log 4. This log 4 cancel this log 4. S is equal to 2 plus 1 plus log 13 divided by log 4. S is equal to 3 plus log 13 divided by log 4. S is equal to 3 plus log 13 divided by log 4 can be written as 2 log 2, and this can be written as 3 plus 1 over 2 log 13 base 2. Therefore, our final answer is S is equal to 3 plus 1 over 2 log 13 base 2. This is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 4 raised to power s minus 2 is equal to 52. Here we have 4 raised to power 3 plus 1 over 2 log 13 base 2 minus 2 must be equal to 52. This is 3 minus 2, that is 1. 4 raised to power 1 plus 1 over 2 log 13 base 2 must be equal to 52. Then here we have 4 raised to power 1 multiplied by 4 raised to power 1 over 2 log 13 base 2 must be equal to 52. Here we have 4 raised to power 1 is 4 multiplied by this can be written as 2 squared to the power of 1 over 2 log 13 base 2 must be equal to 52. These two cancel these two. We have 4 multiplied by 2 raised to power log 13 base 2 must be equal to 52. If you have a raised to power log b base a, this is equal to b. 4 multiplied by the whole of this is 13 must be equal to 52. 4 multiplied by 13, 4 times 3, this is 12. Right to remain 1. 4 times 1, 4 plus 1, 5, that is 52 is equal to 52, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Bye.